For thousands of years, humanity has gazed toward the night sky with wonder. Among the countless stars above us, one system shines brighter than almost any other in the southern sky: Alpha Centauri. Located just over 4 light-years away, it is our closest neighboring star system. Not merely a distant point of light, it represents possibility, exploration, and perhaps the future of human civilization itself. Tonight, we journey across the darkness of interstellar space to uncover its mysteries. Alpha Centauri is not a single star. It is a system of 3 stars bound together by gravity. The 2 largest, Alpha Centauri A and B, orbit each other in a celestial dance, taking nearly 80 years to complete. Alpha Centauri. It closely resembles our own Sun. Alpha Centauri B is smaller, cooler, and slightly more orange. But the 3rd star may be the most scientifically significant. Proxima Centauri, a small red dwarf orbiting far beyond the central pair, holds an extraordinary distinction. It is the closest known star to our solar system, just 4.24 light-years away. In cosmic terms, it is practically our next-door neighbor. For decades, astronomers wondered whether planets could exist within the Alpha Centauri system. In 2016, that question took a dramatic turn. Scientists announced the detection of Proxima Centauri B, an exoplanet orbiting within the so-called habitable zone, the region around a star where liquid water could potentially exist on a planet's surface. Proxima B is believed to be a rocky world, slightly larger than Earth. For the first time in history, humanity had identified a potentially Earth-like planet orbiting our nearest stellar neighbor. However, challenges remain. Proxima Centauri is prone to violent stellar flares and intense radiation bursts, conditions that could severely complicate habitability for any nearby world. Still, scientists continue their investigation, and Alpha Centauri remains at the heart of the search. The question humanity has asked for generations remains unanswered. Are we alone in the universe? Alpha Centauri may help us find out. Life, as we understand it, requires liquid water, stable temperatures, and protection from harmful radiation. Some scientists believe planets in this system could potentially meet those conditions. Others remain skeptical, given Proxima Centauri's intense stellar activity. But extreme environments have a way of surprising us. On Earth, life thrives in boiling hydrothermal vents, frozen Antarctic deserts, and crushing ocean depths where no sunlight ever reaches. If life can endure in Earth's harshest environments, perhaps similar organisms could survive elsewhere. And the discovery of even microscopic extraterrestrial life would represent one of the most transformative moments in human history. Could humans ever actually travel to Alpha Centauri? With current technology, the challenge is immense. 1 light-year alone spans nearly 9.5 trillion kilometers. Even our fastest spacecraft would require tens of thousands of years to complete the journey. And yet, scientists are not giving up. One of the most ambitious concepts is Breakthrough Starshot, a proposed initiative to launch gram-scale probes accelerated by powerful ground-based lasers to a fraction of the speed of light. If viable, these miniature spacecraft could potentially reach Alpha Centauri in approximately 20 years. Enormous engineering hurdles remain, but projects like Breakthrough Starshot reflect a fundamental shift in human ambition. Interstellar exploration, once confined to science fiction, has become a legitimate scientific goal. A new generation of telescopes, including the James Webb Space Telescope and future ground-based observatories, may soon analyze the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, searching for chemical signatures of biological processes, oxygen, methane, and other potential biosignatures. Combined with rapid advances in artificial intelligence and propulsion technology, our ability to study and one day reach Alpha Centauri grows more powerful every year. Throughout history, human beings have crossed uncharted oceans, scaled forbidding mountains, and ventured into unknown continents, driven by curiosity and an insatiable need to explore. Space is simply the next frontier. The journey to Alpha Centauri may take decades, centuries, or generations yet unimagined. But exploration has always begun with imagination. Every telescope pointed at the stars, every scientific breakthrough, every child inspired by the night sky brings humanity one step closer to answering the oldest question we have ever asked. In the vast darkness of the cosmos, Alpha Centauri shines as a beacon of possibility, a neighboring system of stars, of worlds, and of unanswered questions waiting to be explored. Though separated from us by trillions of kilometers, it reminds us that the universe is not beyond reach. It is waiting, and humanity has already begun the journey.